This is the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnamilk. I think I'd heard about this, but honestly kind of forgot about it, but just happened to come across it in Walmart. And how the hell am I going to turn down Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnamilk? So I'm guessing the idea is, I'm going to do a little bit of acting because I've already drinking this. I couldn't resist. I had some on the drive home. But my initial thought was that this has got to be like the milk that's left at the end of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And love that. Who doesn't love that? So that's kind of my thought going into this. I think that's what everybody's looking for. So we'll shake it up. Let's try it. It smells really, really cinnamony, but also not just cinnamon. It's definitely Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Yeah. It's good. It's really good. It doesn't taste exactly like the milk from Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It tastes more cinnamony. But you can definitely tell this is the Cinnamon Toast Crunch flavor in here. And it's really good. It's really quite good. At first I was hit with too much cinnamon. I thought it was too much, but I think that's what you want. If they had made this less pungent than it is, I think I would have been disappointed that it tasted exactly like the milk at the end of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, where I think this walks a good line of being a good drink on its own that also tastes like the Cinnamon Toast Crunch milk. It's got a little bit more flavor, which I think is a good thing actually. So yeah, it's really good. I would recommend it. And if you're a fan of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, you're gonna like this milk. It is really good. And that's it. Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy. And these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats. And all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video. And this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. All right, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats. And all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button. Subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video. And I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, I'm not very good.